Hello? What's up, Steven? Yep. Still down for that threesome, right? Haha.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Good. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Yeah, man, I'm still down for that orgy. Yep, I'm about to pick up some condoms right now. You already know, bro. Get the lube.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Hello, Steven. Yeah, you still got those dildos on Craigslist? Yeah, man, they're lubed up. They're ready to go. Yeah, let's do this movie.
Good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Hello? What's up, Bob? Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's all good.
Good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hello? What's up, Bob? You still got those dildos for Halloween?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Hello?
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Yeah, you still got those dildos for sale, right?
I'm like, what in the world is your ringtone?
Did you guys hear that? Oh,
Yeah.
it's my ringtone.
I was like, what the hell? I'm like, who is doing what? And then you turned around and said hello. You go like, come on.
Yeah, it's just
back there.
yeah, it's just my ringtone, guys.
That's all right. I'm like, somebody who's getting down in the store.
In Walmart, right?
I'm looking at my mom like,
That ain't me. That ain't me.
it's not me. I'm grown, but it's not me. I got kids, but it's not me.
Where they at though, man? Where the bitches are at, man? I'm getting angry, man. Man, where the bitches at, man?
Excuse me, guys. Would either of you guys have sex with me?
No.
No?
Lost,
No? What about threesome?
Let your ass beat, you're moving.
Okay.
Think I'm kidding?
Okay.
You just you looked a little tight. I was just wondering if you wanted a back massage.
No, man.
Why not?
That's gay, dude.
It's gay? What's gay?